Have you ever wondered what happens if you use baking soda every single day? This common kitchen ingredient, also known as sodium bicarbonate, is more powerful than most people realize. Whether you're using it in your toothpaste, mixing it in water, or applying it to your skin, baking soda has surprising effects on your body. In today's video, we're going to explore the medical benefits, potential risks, and the right way to use baking soda daily, especially for your health, fitness, and beauty. Let's dive in. What is baking soda? Baking soda is a natural compound made of sodium, hydrogen, carbon, and oxygen. It's alkaline in nature, which means it can neutralize acid. That's why it's often used for indigestion, heartburn, and even cleaning. But baking soda does more than just clean your oven or whiten your teeth. It can actually impact your internal health, especially when used regularly. Health benefits. Let's talk about the benefits first. Helps with acid reflux. When you eat too much spicy or oily food, stomach acid can rise up your throat, causing heartburn. A small amount of baking soda in water can quickly neutralize the acid and provide fast relief. Supports kidney health. Some research shows that people with early kidney disease may benefit from baking soda because it reduces the acid level in the blood, helping kidneys work less hard. Note: always consult a doctor before using it daily for kidney issues. Boosts physical performance. Athletes sometimes take baking soda before intense workouts because it can reduce lactic acid buildup in muscles. This means less fatigue and better performance during training. Oral health and whitening. Baking soda is a gentle abrasive, so it helps whiten teeth and remove plaque. It's also antibacterial, which means it can help keep your mouth fresh and healthy. Uses for skin and beauty. For women and men alike, baking soda can be a part of your skincare routine. Natural deodorant. It fights odor-causing bacteria and can be used underarms as a natural alternative to chemical deodorants. Exfoliator for skin. It removes dead skin cells and brightens the skin, but should only be used 2 to 3 times per week to avoid irritation. Foot soak. Soaking your feet in warm water with baking soda can relieve swelling, soften the skin, and kill bacteria. How to use it safely. Using baking soda in small amounts is generally safe, but daily use should be done carefully. Oral use. Mix 1/4 teaspoon in a glass of water and drink it once daily. Don't exceed 1/2 teaspoon per day unless advised by a doctor. Topical dews. For face masks or scrubs, mix it with water or honey. Rinse well and apply moisturizer afterward. Internal caution. Avoid taking it right after eating. Wait at least 2 hours after meals. Too much can cause high sodium levels, bloating, or even kidney strain. Risks and side effects. Just because something is natural doesn't mean it's risk-free. High blood pressure. Too much sodium can raise blood pressure, especially in salt-sensitive individuals. Electrolyte imbalance. Daily use can upset your body's pH balance, leading to dehydration, cramps, or fatigue. Drug interaction. It can interact with medications like aspirin, antibiotics, or blood pressure drugs. Always consult your doctor first. Who should avoid daily? You should avoid daily use of baking soda if you have heart disease, you're on a low-sodium diet, you have high blood pressure, you're pregnant or breastfeeding. Consult your doctor. So, what happens if you use baking soda every day? It can support your digestion, help your skin, improve performance, and more, but only if used correctly and in moderation. If you're considering adding baking soda to your daily routine, talk to your healthcare provider first, especially if you have any existing conditions. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health-focused content.